Well, it was a really cold night and the creek was just iced over, but we made it across. And now we're picking up cows to essentially get them back to the home place. So we've had 4 in the corral, which you see ahead up there. And we're gonna go gather the pasture that we dropped the rest in last night and start pushing them towards home. It's just beautiful. Still cold, but amazing. Amazing. And I'm on my boy Pio. Oh, I just love this horse. Still about 18 degrees, but sure feels a whole lot warmer. That sun helps. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Come on. Let's catch up. Come on. Yep. Yeah. No, I heard it. Yep. Go on, girls. Huh. Come on, pup. Hey, pup. Come on. Puppy. Let's go. Come on. Get out of there. Come on. Hey. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Oh, boy. Oh! Go on, girls! Thank God for the sunshine, huh?
Oh my God.
I know.
Through the wind though. When I was on top of that other hill over there,
Yeah, the wind is not nice.
it's gonna be brutal.
Yeah. At least they're trailing out. Yeah. Go on, girls! Ho! Go on. Hey, let's go. Push. So this morning, it's really warm, like 51 degrees, but still bundled up, and I'm on A+. And we're heading up. The snow is melting off, but we're still climbing, so I'm sure it's gonna get deeper. But you can see all around us, it's warming up. And there's Des ahead of me. We're going through the dry head ranch area. Come on, buddy. There we go. I think it's Friday. Lost track of days. Des, is it Friday today? Is this Friday? Is today Friday? I think so. Yeah. Oh yeah, today is Friday. Good Lord. There's no days in ranching, huh? Not always. Or at least there's no weekends. So this is A+, my little freckled gray. He's a good boy. Good boy. Oh, it's hard to get up this hill in the snow on these ponies. My little flea-bitten boy. You can do it. We're almost there. Come on, let's go, buddy. All right, we're at the top. Look at that. Amazing. What are you thinking?
Oh, that just sucks that those cows are down there.
Yeah.
I thought I could hear a cow noise, so I was just checking to see if maybe we could
Here we go. Easy. Good boy. Super beautiful. And the breeze is pretty cold, but thank God for that sun. Oh boy. Good job, A+. You are a good boy. All right, we made it to the top of this ridge. Super slick, super greasy, super muddy. It's hard to see from here, but all this melt off has made this super, super unstable. So I'm just hanging out up here. And Des is down the hill getting a cow off that we had trouble with yesterday. So we're essentially saving her butt because she's weak and she needs feed. But just that time of year, bringing the cows home. She's down there at the bottom. But at least that girl's now going through the gate and we can get to her. Instead of being in this country. And there's supposed to be a big snowstorm coming in this weekend. So the sooner we get her off and out of here, the better. And we're going to go look for some more once Des comes back on up here to meet me. I'm trying to save my horse because it's hard walking in the snow. Isn't it, A+? What do you think? Yes? I know. Up here she comes. That little black dot. Look at her come. She's an amazing rider. Last night she brought in about 50 head of horses into one of the neighbors' ranches just to hold them overnight. And she did it in the dark, only with the moonlight. It was amazing. She's like, I know there's a lot of good rancher girls out there, but I'd put this one against all of them. She's amazing. Here she comes. What do you think, A+? You think it's pretty? Gosh, it's warm up here. Really pretty country. And there she is, making her way. And that's what's behind me. Here she comes, A+. Getting a little little hungry, buddy. Yes, getting a little hungry. Let's go, buddy. Well, there they go. We've got a bunch out of Red Springs, this area, and now because of all this melt, the red dirt is so freaking slick, and I got off my horse and freaking covered in mud now. It's all right. I didn't want him falling and going down on me, which would be absolutely yuck. So we're just sort of doing this final sweep of this area. And these girls went high. So that red hill up there, ooh, ho, 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 wait here, buddy. That red hill right up there. Ooh. Okay, let's get my ring back. Oh, no, 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 come on, buddy. Come on, let's get this rein back, thanks. Oh, sorry for that. Oh, shit. Oh, A+. Anyway, as I was saying, they were up on that hill. And I don't know where the other riders are. I see one. But they're getting that final sweep. Man, that was a mess up there. But nonetheless, a ton of fun. And we're gonna be going through the Dry Head Canyon, just through that fence line. This area here is called Red Springs. Gosh, it looks so different during the summer. It's actually hard to get your bearings when you typically look for really lush landmarks. And I know this area really, really well, but coming from the direction that we did today and with the snow, it's totally just throws you off. But not you, buddy, huh? Come on, give the camera a little look. Oh my God, this is such a ball. This has been such a fun day. Look at me. Oh my God, my butt. This thing is keeping the sweat off though. Crazy hair. I don't care. Ranching hair. But I'm just waiting for the other riders to get down here now. I already said that in the last video. Boy, it's hot when you're all dressed up. I'm wearing a thermal. I'm wearing thermals underneath my jeans and my shirt, and then I have a hoodie on. I got my Dale Brisby. You ain't not a cowboy. Ain't no cowboy. I ain't no cowboy. We're ranching hard, Dale. If you see this, I'm going to tag you in this video. And for those of you that don't know, over a year ago, Dale Brisby, the famous, bull rider, auctioned off his, or he gave away actually his rodeo van, and I was the lucky winner, so Dale drove it to me from Texas out to California, and she's a beaut, I'll tell you. She had some questionable stains though. She's cleaned up now though, and we've been rolling down the road and doing things, stuffing things. So anyways, I got my thermals on, I got another like layered shirt, and then my hoodie, my wild rag, my buff. And I really don't know what time it is, but it's late afternoon. I'm looking for the other riders. Oh boy, I'm thirsty. I was so thirsty yesterday. Drinking, I just chugged 2 bottles of water at the end of the night. We don't really eat on the trail, there's no time. So we get back and we'll cook something. I think tonight we're gonna make some yummy spaghetti, and we bought some Italian sausage, some hot Italian sausage. And that's a quick meal, so it just feels good. Last night we had our leftover chili, and oh my God, that was so good. With sharp cheddar cheese. We bought all that stuff earlier this week and we're eating on the leftovers last night, but it was a long day yesterday. And we didn't get back. It started out as 18 degrees out at camp, and by the time we got back to the home place, it was going on 9 o'clock at night and really cold. So that meal, oh my God, hit the spot. And then I took a shower, and honest to God, you do not appreciate a shower like you appreciate a shower after working like this. And I have to tell you, as you guys know, I have a real soft spot for ranchers and farmers and everybody in ag, because it's 24/7. Dairy cows need milked on holidays. You know, as a chef, I thought I had it tough in terms of working nights and weekends and holidays, and not, sort of non-traditional. Oh, I hear a girl over there. I gotta go see if I can pick her up. But ranching is hard. It's amazing though. All right, over and out. We'll catch you later. All right, we're making progress. God, it's been a long day and I am sore. I'm sore and tired. I can go and go and go, but then a level of fatigue sets in, and my God, it just hits you. But we're doing good. The sun is going down. It's getting cooler. And we're moving these girls through the canyon, the Dry Head Canyon. For those of you wondering where I'm at, I'm up in Montana. The ranch straddles Wyoming and Montana, but right now we're on go on, girls! Ho! We're on the side of the cow camps, which is Montana, and the home place is on the Wyoming side. Go on! Ho! So, oh, you dumb calf. Get up in there. You're a pretty calf. Nice and fluffy. Anyways, it's about 4:30 and it's getting colder. And so I fly into Billings, is where I fly into, and then we go south toward the Wyoming border. And the ranch is essentially in the Pryor Mountains. So if that's helpful to those of you wondering where I am, that gives you a general direction. And I'm glad they're moving comfortably. They're ready to go home. So am I. What I'm going to try to do, because these videos are a little on the longer side, I'm going to ask you guys if you're willing to go check out my YouTube channel, which is brand new for 2020. I'm going to be uploading all kinds of fun content there, and that's where I can just put the longer videos. So just go to my channel. It's Jill Bosich, or the Range Rider, and I would love it if you would subscribe. You can click like to subscribe, and if you don't want to miss my videos, my uploads, just ding the little notification bell, and that's how you'll get a little notification that I've added some new content. So for now, just gonna get these girls moving through this canyon to and get them caught up with the lead. All right, girls, come on. Oh! All right, bye for now. Oh, it's getting to be a beautiful time of day. The moon is out, the sun is down, and we're in the canyon. There's a crew behind me, but I can't show that to you at this point. But see these hillsides right here? I had about 50 cows and calves, mostly up on those steep hillsides that I just fished out. Here's a few more. Let's go, girls! Ha! See, they like the grass. There's grass growing here. Come on. Come on, come on. Ha! Get out of there. Hey! Shoo! Shoo! Hey! Go on! And here's the other group. So it's... Get him, dogs! So Des, how was your day? Oh, look left, high left. Good doggies. So Des, how was your day?
Oh, I loved every second of it.
I did too. Oh my heck. Girl, look at that sky.
Yeah.
That looks like cotton candy, doesn't it? Have you noticed I associate everything with food?
Yeah.
Let's go.
No, that's a shadow. No, is that a shadow? Check by that. Yeah,
Yeah, there's no cows.
where at, dog?
Let's go, girls. Come on, bully.
Where at, dog?
Ho!
Second out of there. Second.
Oh my God, this is so pretty. Somebody frickin' pinch me. I love this range. Get him, pup! Come on, bull! Wow, they're good, huh, Desi? They're like pros, and they're babies. They got some go power. Thing one and thing two. Good job, doggies! All right, let's go, girl. Ho! Oh, that's a bull. Heh. Go on, girls. Ho! Oh my gosh. Tough day, but go on, bull. Hey! Shh. What a good day. Good job, doggies. Go on. Go on. All right, over and out. I just needed to show you this beautiful sky. Oh my goodness. Let's go, girls. Feeding the ponies. Good morning. Oh, I've lost track of what day we're on, but so far so good. It's It's Saturday now, and I thought I left my phone back in the truck, but then I discovered it in my pocket, and I'm on my boy, and I'm just lucky I didn't lose my phone. So there's a lot of little blessings in the crazy. But anyway, we're going back a little bit of ways to where we left these girls last night. A bunch have walked on to where they're supposed to go just because they know. But we know that a bunch went back too, or we're hoping not too many, because of, you know, some of them were looking for their calves. And when we finished last night, it was pitch black. We had moonlight, but there's just so many trees and thick brush here that it was hard to get them all. We could hear them, but we couldn't see them, and even the dogs weren't fishing them out. They were pretty much spent. So right now we're at this area called the Dry Head Ranch, and we're kind of regathering. But most have walked on, which is awesome. So I'm sure these guys will pick up that trail, and it'll go good. The weather's so nice today. It's like 55, so I'm a little more bundled up than normal, but when the wind comes through, it really is a game changer, and that sucks. Oh, so anyways, got my boy A+ again today. We almost lost the horses this morning. We left one of the gates open thinking it wouldn't be a problem, and then they walked off on us and had to jump in the truck, and thankfully we caught them, but you just don't know what's gonna happen some days. As much as you're prepared for things to go right, just know that things will always go wrong. At least in this game. Not bad, but some days it's like, oh my God, don't lose your horses, your saddle horses. So anyways, we're gonna gather and then start trailing home. We're about halfway, and I hope we get really far today because it's supposed to be another big storm coming in tomorrow. So anyways, I hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. And like I said in my other video, I'm gonna be, I've started my YouTube channel, which is Jill Bosich. And just, you can find me, search me on YouTube, and that's where I'll be uploading a lot of these longer videos. And next year in 2020, I can't wait, because I'm going to be doing a lot of cool videos for you guys, you know, just cooking and just daily life things, and showing what I love and featuring things that I love that are ranching, farming, ag. And that's really the whole purpose behind my page. Is obviously I'm a chef, but without what y'all do as ranchers and so forth, I just, there's no go. We don't eat, and that's the bottom line. And I'm not so much a political person, but I know who takes care of us, and so I honor that. And what I've learned, you know, working this ranch, is that no one's gonna take care of their land better than a rancher or someone in ag, because that is their livelihood and it's our future. And I like to eat. I didn't get these thighs for not eating. Oh, good Lord. Self-depreciation is how you manage sometimes, because you know what? When you're born with it, you go with it. Who the frick cares? So anyways, I'm looking forward to connecting with you guys, and I love sharing this stuff. It's so beautiful out here. And this is a small part of my life. You know, I really lead with my chef foot, and I do, that's my trade, to be honest with you, in terms of what I do professionally, but this is the side of it that I love the most. So anyways, have a wonderful day, and I will make a compilation of all these little videos, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Better groceries ahead, ladies and gents and babies. Go on. Look how muddy it's gotten. So melty. Go on, girls. Come on, Coaxie. Go on. Ho! Sicker, sicker. Head her up. Head her up. Way around. Way around her. Head her up. Let's go, girls. Way around. Look back. Look back, dog. So we're doing good, but we got one bull here that's low on groceries and we're going at his pace. We've had a lot of melt off. It's about 55 degrees today and it's just super muddy. But it's been easier to travel, huh? Yeah, easier to travel. And these girls are moving good. I'd say we're having a good day. Got plenty of dogs. 5 dogs. And it's been nice. Oh!
Hey, dog. Come here, come here. Back, dog. Come here. Damn, I wish that bull was
Let's go, girls! So we have a bulk of the bunch having a ball, totally a blast. That's the Bighorn Canyon, Bighorn Mountains. Oh, A+, it's nice, isn't it? And it's such a pretty day. Oh, there's our bull that's slowing down. We're gonna have to wait for him. All right, sounds good. Got it. Just another amazing day. You got that bull? All right, thank you. Head her up, pup. There we go. Way around, pup. Way around, pup. Good dog. Good dog. Ho! Amazing. Look at all the cows trailing out. All right, let's get down this hill. Let's get down this hill. Okay. The sky is amazing. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Saturday afternoon. I couldn't think of a better way to spend it. All right, easy boy. Easy. There we go. Nice. You can't get it as it is it? It's not even remotely close to how it looks. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Oh, I feel so grateful. Hi, Des! Yay! Oh, you can't help but capture it. It's just so beautiful. Oh, my gratitude. I just can't even express it. It's just so incredible. We are here. We're at our little rendezvous point, which is the spring cow camp. And these guys will feed overnight, and then we will get them all the way to home tomorrow. Oh my God. What an amazing day. Wow, the sky. It's on fire. And the darn camera doesn't even show you what it really looks like. Oh. Come on, lad. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Head him up. Let's go, guys. Way around. Way around. Way around, dogs. Easy, easy. Hey, easy. All right, dogs, that's good. Hey, tip out. Puppy out. Those are the Bighorn Mountains over there, and on this side it's the Pryor Mountains. Oh my gosh, look at that sky. Crazy. It's been such a beautiful day. All I've had to wear is my hoodie and a couple thermal layers, but no jacket. It's been crazy. Crisp and refreshing. And that's Coco. Hi, Mocha. Another amazing day. Oh, thank God. So beautiful. That's good. It's 12 degrees. It is absolutely freezing cold. We got the horses fed. They've gone back to give some hay to a bull that was slowing down yesterday, and so we found him today and we're gonna go give him some groceries. But these guys are very happy that we've given them an extra dose. Tomorrow they'll be run back home. Oh my gosh, this whole place has just turned white. So cold. Puppy. You know better than to quit us.
Coco says I did a good job, right?
You're good doggies. It's cold out, and thank you for helping